It's like massive. Like you can do like all kinds of stuff in here. Hello, welcome to my room.
Bet you're looking for something new.
Okay, so I don't know, it's kind of awkward because I've never had someone film me before. Okay, hey everyone, what's up? It's Julia. So you guys have been asking, okay, it's so weird having you behind the camera because I usually don't have an audience. Okay, I don't know what to say. This is my room, okay? This is my room tour, so come on in. So this is a little overview of my room. We're gonna start by going over here. So when you first enter my room, you see this, and it's like this little rack. This is from, I forget, what did you say?
Kirkland's?
This is from Kirkland's. And then this flower thing is from Michael's. And I just have a few of my cute jackets hanging from here and a few of my Michael Kors bags. And then over here, I have my TV and then this, what would you call this?
Storage.
This storage unit thing that used to be in our garage, and then we moved and I needed a dresser, and I just decided that I'm gonna use this as my dresser, so I kind of like repurposed it. And I have these like things that hold like my underwear and bras and swimsuits and socks, and these, and then in like these compartments I have like yearbooks and just some like decor things like sunglasses, like I don't know. And then here I have my alarm clock, a book, little thingies. Over here is one of my favorite sections of my room because I have this couch which is from West Elm, and I like to film a lot of my videos on here. And these pillows are from where?
Arhaus?
Arhaus. And then this pillow is actually different than these two pillows, and it's from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I actually made this. I just like printed out a bunch of things I saw on like Pinterest and stuff that I liked, and it's like this big like collage board thing. And then moving on over here, I've created this like Polaroid wall. I have like stuffed animals down there, and then I have these welcome home signs. Get down there wrong. So this is like a little photography wall. I just have like a bunch of Polaroids and like photo booth stuff and like little crosses, just some cute little memories. Most of them are from like 8th grade because I used to take a lot of Polaroids then, but I've kind of added a little more as the years have gone on. But yeah, this is from
That's from Kirkland.
Kirkland, and then this is from what am I forgetting this? Home Goods. That's from Home Goods. And then over here is my desk. This is from Pottery Barn Teen, or just Pottery Barn. And then so is the chair, I think. I don't know, just a white chair. So yeah, I have all my like, trophies from when I was younger, a globe, some pictures. I have some picture frames that I'm gonna like put updated pictures and like maybe replace some of those because those are pretty old. And then I just have some like random little knickknacks. This 16th birthday crown, I wore it on my 16th birthday. And yeah, I don't know. Or like this seashell, I got it in
Turks and Caicos.
Turks and Caicos. And yeah, I just have some things. Fun fact, I actually have a laptop in here that has water damage, and I just don't know what to do with it. So if anyone wants a computer with water damage, let me know. And then I have some little things from Cheer up here, like my Cheer picture from a couple years ago, and then my homecoming crown, and then a flower, like, what are those called? Corsages. And then up here, I have a pink wig. Don't ask. And then over here is like a little, it's like my windows. I don't know, can you like see me with the like windows? Back? Okay. And then I just have some filming equipment over here. You can come a little closer. I hung up this like grid thing. Oh wait, yeah, I already mentioned where those things are from. So this light, it's like a little, it's not plugged in right now, but it's like where I get my light. It's a ring light for my YouTube videos, and it's from Amazon. And then my camera is just this camera, I guess, and then filming on my vlog camera, and then a tripod, and then this grid thing. I had just hung it up, so it's kind of like not hung up on the bottom. It's kind of like ratchet actually, how it's hung up, but yeah. And then it just has like little photography things, and I just got a disposable camera, and I've been taking pictures on there, so I'm planning to like get those developed and then put them on this like grid. And I also got that from Amazon. I don't know if I said that already. And over here is my little nightstand. In this drawer, I just keep like my camera equipment that I use like constantly, so it's right next to my bed when I edit my videos. And then down here, I just keep some like journals and stuff. So here I have this really cool moon lamp, and you can actually take it out of here and it like still shows the color and it changes colors, so it's pretty cool. That's from Amazon. A candle. I have this lavender chamomile like pillow spray, so like before I go to bed I just like spray to my bed and it makes me like fall asleep faster. It's like essential oils and stuff. This is from the World Market. And then here I have this like little acrylic thing. I think it's from Target. And then I just have like my TV remote, my Apple remote, and then a little like dream journal that I like never write in. And over here is my favorite part because it's my bed. I love my bed. It's my favorite part of my room. It's a queen size bed from Arhaus. Is that how you say it? Arhaus? Mm-hmm. Arhaus. And yeah, I don't know what else to like mention about that. My like bedding is from, like the pink bedding is from, what'd you say, JCPenney?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Or is it from JCPenney? I don't know, we got it online. I'm pretty sure it's from JCPenney.
Oh, maybe.
I don't know. So yeah, you can probably get pink bedding like anywhere though. And then this pillow is from Target. And then my other pillows, like the sheets, do you know who those are from?
Those are bamboo sheets.
Bamboo
and they're
sheets.
from Bed Voyage or something.
Okay, I don't know. They're just like gray, like pillowcases and sheets. And then I have a really soft blanket under here. Do you know where this is from? Is it Costco or just like?
That's from Costco.
Costco blanket. And then up here, I just have some Christmas lights. And then up here, this is like something I've been really wanting, and my mom finally got my full collection completed. So it's this Chanel sign, this Vogue sign, and this like designer like books sign. They're not signs, they're, what would you call them? Posters? Like what?
Yeah, they're prints.
Prints,
yeah.
And
Designer
those are from
prints.
Fine Art America, and they were actually like, really hard to get. All of them like the same like configuration, and we actually had bought this one, and then which one did we buy second? I think we bought this one, but they were different sizes, and so we had to buy another one to make them like all three look good together. But yeah,
Looks good.
I'm really happy with how that turned out. And I have a blanket from here. This is really soft. This is from like Target or something.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
And then over here I have my makeup table, and it's actually not centered on this wall, so it's like, I was gonna move it for the video, but then I was like, it's probably like really heavy. So my makeup vanity is from Pottery Barn Teen, I think. And I really love it. I've had it since I was like in middle school, and it has like so many storage compartments. If you guys would like me to do a full like vanity tour where I go in depth of like how I organize everything, comment down below. But yeah, I just keep like my makeup brushes here. Most of my makeup is in this drawer. And then this chair, it's a zebra chair, because when I was younger, I used to be obsessed with like zebra everything, and I wanted my whole entire room to be zebra. But I changed my mind a lot, and this is how I love my room right now. It's like the gray and like pink theme. So yeah, this is my makeup table. Did I say this was from Pottery Barn?
Mm-hmm.
It is. And then that sign up there, it's like a Hello Gorgeous sign. My mom helped me hang that up. It's just like a what do you call them? A sticker?
A stencil?
No, they're called something else. Like,
It's called a decal, wall decal.
so yeah, a little Hello Gorgeous thing, and yeah, that was just from Etsy, I think. And then right here I have this tree, and I don't think it was supposed to be a jewelry tree, but I've seen this at a lot of like boutiques, and so my mom got this for me. My mom actually got everything in my room for me pretty much, and she's filming now, so thanks, girl. But yeah, so this is from, where'd you say? Restoration Hardware?
Yeah.
Restoration Hardware. And it like just has these like little lights, I don't know if you guys can tell, and then I just hang like my jewelry on it. And then this thing, I got it from like Target a long time ago, and I just keep like my big earrings and some bracelets. And then here I just have a little disposable camera. And then over here is like this little hallway, so like the front door to my room is right here, and then when you move this way I have a little hallway. Okay, so right here I have this mirror from West Elm.
That's from Etsy.
From Etsy, actually. So I have that from Etsy, and then I just keep some of my shoes here. I kind of want to get like a shoe thing, or maybe like redo my closet to get like a little shoe rack, but these are just some of my like shoes that I wear, and I just realized I wear a lot of black shoes because these are literally all black except for those. My smelly Air Force Ones. And then over here I have my laundry basket. Fun fact, when I was little, remember when I used to hide in my laundry basket? Yeah. So like I'd like, not this laundry basket, but like I'd hide in it. So like when we played hide and seek, I just, wait, I can't even fit in here. But yeah, I did this.
You were smaller then.
Yeah. And that's how I broke the top of my laundry basket, and I somehow managed to break the top of this one too. But yeah, so this door leads to my closet, and then this door leads to my bathroom. But if you guys want a separate video of me going through my closet and bathroom, let me know, because I don't know, it'll just be like more in-depth and stuff. I mean, we could do a little sneak peek. Let's do a little sneak peek. Come here. Okay, so my mom can definitely testify to this. Is that the right word, testify?
I guess so, yeah.
I do not clean my room ever. This is the first time my room's ever been like, things are off the floor. And so I kind of lied because half my stuff is on the floor in my bathroom. And my sink is just not the cleanest. But the other day I hung this thing up. I just want to show them the mirror. Don't show my bathroom, it's really dirty. But yeah, so I hung this moon mirror up and it's pretty like weird because it's just scotch tape and like a nail. But I got that from Urban Outfitters. And if there's an earthquake, it's gonna shatter all over the floor, so that's really fun. And then I have this like shower slash bathtub, but we'll show you guys that in another video. And then over here's my closet, but it's kind of a dungeon. I also threw a bunch of random stuff in there. But a little sneak peek, it's a walk-in closet, super nice. I actually love my room because it's like massive. Like you can do like all kinds of stuff in here. Like if you want to like, whoa, I did not think of that. You know, it's just like really fun place to be. And I have a nice Apple TV where I can like listen to music and stuff. So yeah, that's my room. Thank you for coming. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you to Tamara Fase for filming this for me and buying me literally everything in this room and making it my dream bedroom. Peace out.
You're welcome.
Out.